So one question that we often get is when celebrants are starting out is how much content do I need to create, and which platform should I use, and how often should I post to them? It's kind of daunting when you tell someone to put up 30 minutes of YouTube video. So to make it sort of more accessible, it's 10 to 15 minutes of content across 2 to 3 videos, and then one a month from there would be a good start, right? Now, people ask, well, what should I haven't done any weddings yet. What kind of content could I put up there? Well, you certainly could do an introduction video of yourself. Your mock ceremonies would be a good opportunity to catch some video or some photos to use for your socials. Another suggestion is the unity ceremonies that we've talked about, sand ceremonies,
hand fasting,
candle lighting ceremonies. Grab a couple of people and demonstrate, just do demonstrations. People are fascinated by them, right? And it's a way of, speaking to your audience and giving them content that they're interested in. Now, Instagram. So we did say last time, 30 posts to begin with, and then 2 to 3 a week. We're just saying start with 10. And if you don't have any images, we're going to show you where you can get some images for free, high quality images for free, just to start out. And then 2 to 3 a week.